And guys, got another video. This is a back to normal now. It's normal schedule. I did something a bit different yesterday. Anyway, I shall upload this video in due course. Anyway, let's get running quickly because we want to be quick. This is a day with Triang locomotives. So these are all Triang locomotives, all Triang stock, with the exception of the Hornby stock at the front, and the two Wrenn wagons at the front. Now we got the Triang A1A pulling a rake of cement and open wagons. Oh, we've had a derailment. You know what? I'm going to take this van off and show you the other Triang brake van I have. Where did I put it? Ah, it was here. I had it just now. Let me get it on that area. She is. Anyway, we should put that one over here for now instead of that. And put this one on metal wheels. But she is Triang. It's a Midland region brake van again. Right. Yes. Anyway, you can tell she's Triang by the way she's moves slower than some of the lima stock. Anyway, she's pulling a nice rake of wagons. We got the sand wagon at the front, the press twins at the front, and then we got a rake of cement and open wagons at the back. We got two open wagons and two more cement wagons at the back. But obviously that's the separator wagons, so you know which is. They're all Hornby or Wrenn at the front except the last four wagons, which are all Triang wagons. She runs beautifully. Anyway, we're going to get her off soon, so we can get the next lot on. I'm just going to get a passing shot of her from there. Anyway, we'll stop her there and bring the next set of wagons on. Because I want to show you the Triang wagon I bought a while back. Anyway, we're done with that. It's not for now. I just gotta get the Hornby wagons on the correct orders. Obviously the Bachmann wagons has to go on first because there's one cap on the where is it? Tiger. Where's that tiger rail piece? Wagon now. Oh, there it is. It was there. Yeah, it's got a Katie cabin, so we can't use that. We're going to leave that at the end. Oh. Oh yeah, this broke off as well. But we're on top of that, because I just positioned temporarily. There you go. Those two are coupled up now. Now we just need to examine. Oh, it's got metal wheels, so we can couple it up via the Yeoman wagon. Let's see if that works. Nope. Let me push this in. See if that helps. Nope. She does not want to couple up. Oh, she's now coupled up to it now. So you can have the Hornby ballast wagon at the front. The rake instead. Oh, we'll put that one there. Bit of a blooper there. We'll put that one there. Yeah, put the weathered examples together and put the new example at the front, which is the weathered coupling. Let me see. it's this one. It's not red. Oh no, wait, it's this one. The non-red coupling is that side, so we'll put what we'll do is put that way. We'll put the web coupling that way. There we go. Now this is the second locomotive that I didn't show in my last couple of videos for this channel, and that's the class 31 Coco. She has a BO chassis purely because this is a Coco, but this wheel here is not real. It's fake because it's a Triang. On later models they corrected this, Hornby. Oh, wrong. She's going that way instead. She wants to go that way. Oh, she's uncoupled. Yeah, I think we will have to swap couplings. So yeah. Yeah, we'll have to swap her around because they can take the tension, these lima couplings. But yeah, we want to make sure she's coupled. Anyway. Oh, wrong way. Oh, we better be around. Anyway, it shan't be too long. Anyway, this is a class 31A1A1A. 31A1A. Unfortunately, derailed, but yeah. Oh yeah, we were gonna put this on. Oh, we'll put it on. We'll put it on. We'll actually use this one to come back. So we'll just derail that. What we'll do is we'll put her that way and see if she the tension between this. Yep, she'll couple up. She should be coupled now. Head into this greenish livery to be Freightliner, and there'll be Freightliner transfers applied later. Anyway, look at that. She's not even struggling, and she's just had an extra wagon put on. So let me just redo the coupling, because that coupling hasn't quite... Oh. That's why she's not coupling. Never mind. Anyway, she's coupled now. Anyway, gotta end the video soon. We'll run around one more. Right. There you go. Run around quickly for the final time. There she is. And she is hauling a rig of Hornby and Triang ballasts and lima ballast. Lima, Bachmann and Triang and Hornby wagons. There's the Hornby wagons at the front, lima, there's the Triang, and there's the Bachmann, MFA and the POA, Yeoman Foster livery. Anyway, I shall end it there. See you on the next one. Peace out, YouTube.